Guys, back to Chubbs Gamer. Today we are doing another video. We are here at the July 4th fireworks, Atlantic City Boardwalk. Yeah, guys, and we're here with Elias and Yassine.
It took 2 hours for your information.
All fireworks starting. I think these are just the tryouts, guys. We are walking, all of us are walking near the Caesars. So look at that. It's a little fun. Yeah, these are just the tryouts, and we're gonna.
10 o'clock is when it starts.
10 o'clock? What time is it? 9:51, guys, right now.
9 more minutes, no start.
I hear the police.
What if that lady's house is on fire?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we saw a lady's house on fire. There's a little fire. And I don't know.
We heard firefighters. That might be for her house.
Yeah. When we're coming walking here. We're at the Boardwalk, Atlantic City Boardwalk is where we're going for it. Oh, right here.
Longest boardwalk in America. I'm pretty sure.
My grandparents live here, and a lot of my family. But me,
it took 2 hours to come here.
Me, Yassine, and Elias live in North Jersey. They live in where do you live?
South Plainfield.
Yeah, I live in Patterson. We always visit each other. Elias is actually my longest friend. I knew Elias since daycare. He's my best friend. Yeah, guys. So we are here at the fireworks. We're gonna see them right now. Oh, that was just a little one. The ones that scream like. Guys, here. I'm gonna pause the video, so when we get there and we stop walking, I'll unpause. We're just still walking, guys. I know it's so long to walk. Over here, they're letting the fireworks on the beach. I don't know why people are going on the beach. They want to get burned or roasted by fireworks. Hey guys, some baby ones. This is just tryouts. The real fireworks are at Tropicana. That's why everybody's heading to Tropicana. Tropicana is all over there. Yeah, fireworks. So yeah, guys, I'll meet you guys there. And bye. Hey guys, someone is sending fireworks. I don't know on the
firecrackers.
Yeah, July 4th. Anyway, guys, so happy July 4th to you guys. So, meet you guys there in a sec. Look at these fireworks, guys. These are just tryouts, but they're really good.
After 40, it's overtime. And after 60, it's double.
They're coming. Yeah, guys, now I'm gonna really see you guys there. Look, guys, the fireworks tryouts.
No, we never worked.
Here. Pretty cool. And that is not the real. Hey guys, you guys are Tropicana right now. Yeah, guys, so we are staying here. Fireworks start at 10 o'clock. We're staying here, guys, because we're not gonna walk all the way to Tropicana. Because Tropicana is like another 10 blocks, and we're gonna stay here. Wow, look at the fireworks from here. Oh, unpause the. Oh! Oh, I think the real fireworks are starting, guys.
Oh no, I got the
fireworks. Those are the fireworks. Oh. These are the fireworks, guys. Oh. Whoa, look at these fireworks, guys. These fireworks are awesome. Oh, that's just that one. Right. Oh, those are the fireworks, guys. Right there. Oh my gosh. Yeah. What are you doing? He's like. Oh my God. Look at this.
Yassine, get on this side.
Is Ibrahim here? Ibrahim left.
That's a nice one.
Ibrahim left?
They're right here.
Where's Ibrahim? Ibrahim not here.
You don't need a fly job. It's not scary.
Oh my God. We're going to the beach right now, guys. See the fireworks.
I'm gonna take. Saj,
Yeah.
take off your shoes. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Yeah.
How you gonna take off?
It's okay.
I'm taking off my shoes.
Look at these. We're on the beach. It's sandy. Oh my God. Look at this. In the beach.
We saw space right by the Hilton, and so we parked.
Where's Ibrahim?
I'm right here. You're making the video too?
Yeah. Oh, hi, Ibrahim. I know. Hey, I'm making a video. You guys can see the fireworks, right? I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. These are the fireworks, guys. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, the smoke, the air is full of smoke.
I know.
That feels so
Yeah.
good.
See these boats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See this?
Hey, yeah. We actually found parking right in front of the Hilton.
Boom, boom, boom.
You're so funny. Come over here.
My arms are getting tired.
Look at this, guys.
I've been at this for like 2 minutes.
No, you
So much fireworks.
Then we go like on the walkway of the beach.
no.
A lot of fireworks.
Mooney took off her shoes because they were bothering her.
These
Sand
fireworks.
feels so good. I know, like, doesn't it?
They were like,
go inside.
we got the sandals from Nana's house.
These fireworks are really cool, guys.
I know, the air is filled
I
with
thought they were
smoke.
gonna have the fireworks go from that side.
Even without glasses, they look really nice because they're so big.
Ibrahim is right there. Vlogging.
Walkway side.
No.
Bro! You want to go
I'm
in
gonna
the
sit
beach?
right here, guys. I'm not going in the beach. It is. Oh my God. These fireworks are big. These fireworks are big. Oh, that's a lot of fireworks. Oh, that was cool. Yeah. We have everybody here, guys. Yeah.
I thought they were gonna do it over there.
Ooh, that was an oval.
Did you realize the fireworks come first and then the boom happens?
I know.
After the fireworks. Really?
Oh my God, that's a big firework. There's so much smoke, guys. There's tons of smoke. Wait for the grand finale, guys. The grand finale is so good.
Very cheap.
Where are the clouds going?
It's a lot of fireworks. Just gonna pause it till the grand finale, guys. These fireworks are getting really nice, guys. I'm just gonna show you guys these fireworks. These fireworks are really nice. I pause again. Yeah, guys, there was a smiley face. Oh my god, these fireworks getting really good.
Right now, did you even upload it?
It's good fireworks. I'm gonna save it. Oh, look at these fireworks, guys. It's like glitter comes out. It's like glitter comes out. Hey guys, these fireworks, I think the grand finale is here, guys. You should have made a, that was a heart. I think that was a heart, guys.
That wasn't hard.
Yeah. My god, this is the grand finale, right?
No.
What's the grand finale? This looks like it. I'm keeping it. These fireworks are nice. I'm gonna pause it and then resum when it gets really intense. Guys, look at this firework. Look at this grand finale.
So I don't even think it is the grand finale.
Look, did you see that? Did you see that, guys? There's so much fireworks right now.
The fireworks are actually red and green. You just gotta see it white.
They're actually different, way different colors. I gotta see it white.
It just like a mine screen.
No, it's white.
Yeah.
Mine too.
They're having it behind us.
Oh my god, yeah, this is the grand finale.
I don't think this is the grand finale.
Look at it. This is.
You sure?
Yeah. Grand finale is when they shoot so much. Oh my god, they're shooting tons. Look at this.
All of the colors are mixed.
I know, right? Oh my god.
Oh god.
Look at this. Oh my god, guys.
It's gunfire. Tommy guys.
Look at this, guys.
Tommy guys. Put the word headphones warning. Oh yeah, headphones warning.
This is a girl.
Yeah, headphones warning, guys.
Could you
Yeah, guys, that is the.
really?
That was it. That was a lot. That was the grand finale.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really good, guys. Yeah, guys.
I got 7. I got 8 minutes of it.
Huh?
I got 8 minutes of it.
I got 2. Okay. So yeah, guys.
You got 2?
No. 12. I was about to say. Yeah, guys. So that I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, it was pretty good fireworks. Yeah, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to all of you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe by
The video is
squad by subscribing on my channel. And
to me
yeah,
too.
guys. Yeah, Ibrahim Gaming. Subscribe to that too. So yeah, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.